Welcome to installing Llm Marker. We're going to install the software on a computer that is running Vista. This machine has had Llm Marker previously installed so that we can encounter all possible situations in this training video. The first thing you should do is put your DVD into your device, or if you've viewed the downloaded system, we'll navigate to the lower left hand corner of the screen. We'll click the Run button. Then we'll click the Browse, and we will navigate to the location of our install software. In this particular case, we've got it on a USB device. What we're looking for is a folder out there on the DVD that says LLM_install. We will click that button, and underneath that we'll find another folder called Install. Then we will see a program called setup.exe. We will click that. We'll load that, click OK, and the software should begin installing. The first thing it's going to do is install all of the DLLs necessary. And this process should go fairly fast, and we'll get a form. We'll click OK. Then we'll click the button in the upper left hand corner. It shows the little computer. Then we'll get another form. We'll click Continue, and the process should all begin. During this process, you may encounter different screens, like the one might show up here that's might show the screen flashing. This is the machine is just checking out your graphics board. It doesn't mean anything. As you continue forward on the installation, if it encounters any situations such as DLLs previously installed, it will prompt you. This software is passive. It does not change anything on your machine. So in this case, we've encountered the previously installed software. We'll just click yes, because we always want to keep the current version. Then you may incur a conflict. Just click ignore. This usually occurs if a software is previously installed, so you may not see any of these, but we want to show them in case you do, so that there is no surprises here. The status bars continue to show you the progress that you make. As you move along, you ignore any conflicts, and just when it's finished, it will say that the software is successfully installed. The next step is we're going to need to initialize a database. We'll do that here by navigating to the lower left hand corner of the screen. We'll click the Start, Microsoft Start. We're going to go in and click the Run. We'll click the Browse and navigate to the same location we were before, only we're going to load the SVD_initialize program. We'll do that. We'll click OK, and it'll bring up a form. Then we're going to click the little button with the three dots, and we're going to navigate to the location that you want to install the database at. In this case, we're going to put it on the C drive. If you could get a form like that shows up, it just means it's trying to connect to our server. It's a VPN connection error. Don't worry about it. Probably won't occur on your machine. In any case, so you can see the drive that it's selected. We'll click the initialize button, and then initialize is just that fast. It only takes a few seconds. Now we're going to install the Llm Marker database. So we're again going to navigate to the lower left hand corner of your screen, click the Start button. Again, we'll click the Run. Only this time we're going to navigate to, or we're looking for a folder on your DVD that's got a 3-digit code that identifies the county. In this case, we're looking for a folder that's got V&T, which stands for Ventura County. We'll click on that, and it will bring up, we're looking for a map install. And we're going to click on Install Map. We're going to load that, say OK, and it will bring up a form on the screen. And in this form, you see it's already got the location of the drive. We're going to click the Install button. And once we do that, it's going to start installing all of the FEMA panels. Now this is installing not only FEMA panels, but aerial photo imagery of the county that you're working with. If you've selected the county and we've shipped you a DVD, it'll be a specific county that you've selected. If you've downloaded the version, it'll be whatever county that's with the version that you downloaded for the demo version. And not only is it installing all of the FEMA panels on your machine, they're physically on your computer, it's also installing all the LOMAR information as well. When it's finished, it'll say completely, or it's installed successfully. We'll click OK. And the next step is it should have, at this time, installed a icon on the lower left hand corner of your screen, or on your screen somewhere. So we'll click that, and we'll click the little button of three dots. The first time we run it, we need to navigate to the location that we install the database. So we're looking for the Add SVD folder. We'll click that, and we're looking for the FPD-Sys. We'll click that, and it loads an initialization form here. What you want to do is just type in a name. This name is not sent anywhere, it's just stored with your computer on your device. It helps to identify your system for future support. If you can put a company or not. You don't need to do anything with the registration code that's there, just leave it be. Just click the submit and it will automatically load lat long marker. Now the next thing you would want to do is, after viewing this video, is go view the getting started video, which is on the same website location.